But nowadays parents are also very keen to relate it, keen, and they have the curiosity that what kind of talent or ability or the caliber a child has. And especially, yes, this is one of the most important points we need to understand, that start seeing that what exactly is into your child, and just give enforcement to your child into the same field. Right? It's not important that academics are only going to give a source of income to that your child. Well, the way I have seen choreographers, right? So we have never thought of that choreographers to have such kind of source of income, or they're going to earn very good profit by getting into the Bollywood. So nobody has ever thought of it that they're going to become celeb. There would be a day that they're going to become celeb. Yes. Geeta ji, would you like to sum up this?
No, ma'am. I think both are necessary, academic and
But
physical.
we
Uh,
really like that point that there should be the time management. It is somewhere a sort of unnecessary burden upon the children who are really good at academics. Now, for an instance, my child is good in maths, so but he is not getting the chance, he's not getting the
But
opportunity give the concentration totally upon that, because he is more getting into the co-curricular activities. There, the imbalancing of the school occurs.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, somebody was saying something in speech.
Yes, ma'am. It happened with my daughter. She is
Hmm.
good in academic, but she takes part in
Nope.
activities. She imbalance in activity
That imbalances yes, that
and
imbalances the academics and the co-curricular activities. And that point is really right, that there should be time management that should be followed by school. Okay, fine. It was a very good round done by all three of you. Commendable. Commendable means appreciable. Tarifekable. I think we have done this word, and I do remember Geetu has mentioned this word, I guess. Tarifekable. Commendable. Have I mentioned this word earlier?
Namita
no,
ji
ma'am.
has one good point is she use every word in next day. She use
Yeah, right.
she use
She
next
uses,
day that word.
yeah,
Ma'am,
she
Namita
uses
ma'am's vocabulary. Namita ma'am is good in vocabulary.
I don't think
she is
so.
trying day by day. No,
uh,
No,
but yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
see,
ma'am,
it's a
did I
very, very
make,
you're
ma'am,
trying
did
day
I
by
make mistakes related to grammatical mistake?
grammatical. It's about few. I have not mentioned all of them, but for an instance, there was not a grammatical mistake, basically. I have not even mentioned because I was listening to you all properly. But yes, if I talk about your point is really nice. I would expect you all to use some kind of good vocabulary, or we can say the phrases instead of this. Your point is really nice. Instead of that, what we can use is that I second you. I second you. I would like to hear this from all of you from the next time whenever we are going to do the discussion. I second you. Second means that second only. So it means I agree you. I
I
agree
second
you.
you.
Yes, I second.
Not agree, second you.
Agree can be used, that is not a problem. But it would be really better if you use this word with a person who is good, who has good command over English. He would only understand. Otherwise, the other person would say that I second you. What have you said exactly?
Second,
Right? So it's
वही
very
second की spell of second is
yeah,
like
the spelling
second.
is same
Okay.
as it is same. Yes,
Uh,
one more thing. It was used in my mind. All three of you have used, or Namita ji has surely used that. I do remember. It is in my mind, something to relate to that in my mind. So you can either mention here that according to my perception, according to my perspective, or according to my notion. Yes, it can be used. All right. So one thing you all have opened up this topic by saying that the image shows, right? So instead of that, we can use the image depicts. Depicts.
yes,
Depicts. You know it. Most of you know it. It's all about that. I need to make you remind. Depicts.
मैम स्पेलिंग आप दे दीजिए.
Sure. DEPIDEPICTS. CTS. Depicts. Because the image is singular, so we have used depicts here. And somebody has used this sentence also. It is not good for society. It is not good for society. So instead of that, what do you think? That what better can we use? What better sentence can be used? For an instance, if I'm just telling about that expensive fees of college or universities, it is not good for society. So instead of that, what better can you use? Think over it. Take a time. Take a minute and then tell me.
It's not beneficial for society, or it's for
Absolutely right.
harmful for society.
Absolutely right. Perfect. Beneficial was running in my mind because it is an easy word and can be used by all of you very easily in front of anyone. So beneficial is better to use as compared to good. All right. Okay. Geetu ji has said this. I do remember. We don't take admission of your child. The school says, you mentioned this line. The school says we do not take admission of your child. So instead of this statement, what is a better statement? We don't take admission of your child.
Yet.
When a school, no. When
Hmm.
a school generally says no, they use a term
We
for
don't
it.
give. We
No.
don't give admission to your child. We don't enroll your child.
Yes, right. That is the term which is used by the schools basically. Whenever you're going to enter a school, they use enroll word. All right.
Enroll means, ma'am, admission.
Yes, giving admission, enrollment,
Actually,
or enrolling,
actually
or
in schools, actually in schools, when they give a admission, they provide a number of each and every student, and this number is called enrollment number.
enrollment number.
Number.
Yes,
है ना?
Yes.
That is why this
Enrollment
term
number.
is used, enroll.
yes, right, absolutely right. And it is mentioned by Anita ji, proper building. What else can be used? Proper building. Because building can be any. But when we talk about the interior of the building, related to that, what exact word is used? The term which is the perfect to be used there in her line.
Construction. Construction, ma'am.
कंस्ट्रक्शन का मतलब जो अभी चल रहा है प्रोसेस जो बन रही है बिल्डिंग दैट इज कंस्ट्रक्शन बट यू आर वेरी
Well
क्लोज टू दैट
maintained building. Ma'am, well maintained
well
building.
maintained can be used but basically only for building instead of proper you can use well maintained but what about building
Constructed.
कंस्ट्रक्टेड हो जाएगा बनी हुई बिल्डिंग shall I tell?
Yes,
Geeta
ma'am.
ji, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so basically it's infrastructure. Proper infrastructure.
Hmm.
It's not a new word, but it is widely used in schools, in pamphlets, or like anywhere. Infrastructure. And people know this word. Let me tell you. Check out the chart. You'll get to know. You must have heard this term as well.
Sure.
Infrastructure. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Few questions are going to be asked to all of you. Answer only in one line. One line. All right? Rapid fire. Okay. We'll start here from Anita. If you could buy any type of food, if you could buy any type of food, what would you buy and why? Anita, you there?
Any type, any
Okay,
type of
ma'am.
food.
Ma'am,
Right now. Huh? Yes.
I could buy a healthy food because it is good for health. No, good के लिए
Excellent.
beneficial for health. It is a
Wow,
beneficial for health.
excellent. Excellent. This how you can actually interrupt yourself also. That means wait, there is a new word I want to use it and just replace it on the spot. Okay, yes. Geeta ji.
Yes, ma'am. If I could some food, so I take lassi
I would like to take
because there
lassi. I would like to do.
uh, I would like to take lassi because there's no harmful thing in that, and it's good for health. I mean
I know.
benefit for
I like
our
lassi.
health.
Even I like lassi. And I can drink it any
Yes.
time of the day. Okay, Navita ji.
I would like to
Do not dare to
take
say jalebi. Do not dare to say jalebi.
but I would
Just
like
kidding.
to take any sweet which I like
No,
really.
you cannot mention related to jalebi. Okay, just
I like many sweets, Indian sweets especially, and rabdi and ampak and all that. If I take one of them.
okay. Fine, good. Next, if you could bring any animal at your home, if you could bring any animal at your home right away, which animal it would be and why? Which animal it would be and why? Yes, Gitu ji.
Ma'am, if I don't want to take, so
Hey, that is not an option. You have to think over it. It was not an option for me as
okay.
well before marriage. But look, I have 5 dogs. Can you imagine 5 dogs? Not one, not two, but 5 in total. And besides that, I have
Uh,
15 in my plot. 15 in my plot. Now continue.
if I could to take one animal, so I would to like take dog, obviously,
Yeah, obviously. That is the right answer, obviously. Okay, any particular reason?
because
Any particular reason? Why?
no, there is not any special reason because I don't want to take any animal in my house.
Okay.
Uh, my
I
daughter is
was in
also
OCD. Obsessed.
yeah, my daughter was also stubborn that
Stubborn.
I want dog. Yeah, stubborn. I want dog, but
Hmm.
I don't
It's
want
very, very great
any animal.
responsibility. It is very great
Yes, ma'am.
responsibility.
Ma'am,
Those who
big thing is that I don't like their hair is hair
it's everywhere.
hair.
It's every.
Yeah, hair is everywhere, and I can't eat
I
food
would, yeah,
that time.
sorry to interrupt you. Before marriage, it was mentioned that my husband name is Rahul. So it was mentioned that Rahul is only one child of his parents. So I was really happy. Oh my God, one and only. It's gonna be really fun that I do not have any sort of work or anything. As soon as I entered, 3 years ago, sorry, 4 years ago, I got to know I do have three dogs at my home. No, it was one, then second was added, then third was added, and now two more are added. And I never had this idea that I have 15 to 16 dogs in my plot. So that is our plot just beside it. So And I was literally stunned after getting to know that I have all sister-in-laws, I have all brother-in-laws, I have too many cousins. So I was, so it was a sort of deceive that was done in front of me. Okay, so yes, it's a very great responsibility, I must say.
Ma'am, you thought I got only one person.
Sorry, it got disconnected. Okay, moving on to Namita ji. What would you like to add here?
Yes, I would like to take fishes, aquarium,
Oh,
fish
right.
aquarium at my home because I like it very much. And uh, before
That is
some years,
auspicious.
I
I
have.
have heard. Auspicious. It is
Okay.
Ma'am,
auspicious.
fish is very sensitive and they died very soon.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right, right.
exactly. Before some years, I brought a fish aquarium because my daughter want to that, and we all loves them very much, and we care a lot. Cared, but they died
Okay.
very soon, and
Yeah, right.
we
Yeah.
all got worry, and after that we empty that fish aquarium, and we didn't bring fish again. And but
Thank
I
you for
like,
using
if
that.
I have any
Yeah,
opportunity, then I want to
yes,
take
that is a
fish
better
aquarium.
fish aquarium. Okay, sorry to interrupt in between. Basically, what is the difference between fish and fishes? I would like to mention here that fish ka plural is fish. Okay, but
Okay.
when we say this term, fishes, then it means you're talking about the different species of the fish. For example, Namita ji has an aquarium at her home, and there are different species. अलग अलग type की है, एक salmon हो
Hmm.
सकती है, कोई और type की हो सकती है. So there are different type of species in one aquarium. So she'll say that I have fishes in my aquarium. All
Okay.
right. And if only one type of fish is there in your aquarium, so you'll just say that I have fish. I have fish.
Oh,
That's all. So fish ka plural is fish itself, but if you're using fishes,
okay.
then it means you're talking about too many different type of species. Yes, Anita ji.
Uh, uh, Ma'am, I have already fishes
Okay, nice.
and uh, ma'am, I had also a dog. We uh,
Okay,
we had we had Labra, but he
okay.
was passed away before 6 months. After that, we bought Husky, but
Oh,
within 15 days he was died. And after that,
within
we
because of any disease.
uh, Mummy ji gave him two idlis, and he was suffered from food poisoning. And after that,
Okay.
he was
Even
died.
husky needs a sort of environment which is too cold, too
Cold.
chill. So
Hmm.
it needs that kind of environment. Yes. Okay. Fine. What is the time? Let me see. Okay. 10 minutes per left. So we will come covering that tomorrow because it would be beneficial. Tomorrow Neetaji would be there. So of course 10 minutes adding on with all four of you would be beneficial or beneficiary there. Okay. Enough for
Okay.
today, and please find out those traveling words. We would like to hear traveling words, and even you can search the words which if you do remember, Geetuji and Neetuji were there, yes, nobody else. So we were finding out the words which have direct translation in English, right, Geetuji? We have done this sort of vocabulary, like they have found a word, झूमर को English में कहते हैं, so chandelier. There is a word chandelier. So they have found out few such words which have the exact translation in English. कि हिंदी का exact translation क्या हो सकता है English में? So try to find out those words or the words associated with traveling word. Alright?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good
Okay,
day.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
Good day,
Take
ma'am.
care.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
You're welcome.